In this video, I'll show you how to add a picture choice question to your quiz in the RevenueHunt app. First, go to the Questions section of the quiz builder and click Add Question. Select Picture Choice from the list. Once the question is created, open the Picture Choice block, where you can start arranging your choices. To upload an image, click on a choice to open its settings. Under Choice Image, click Select Image. You can choose from your uploaded catalog or add a new image from your computer. Repeat this process to add more images to your choices. You can also add labels to each choice if you'd like. If you want to adjust image sizes, open the Picture Choice settings and go to Advanced Settings. Here you can select the picture size ratio: tiny, small, medium, or large. If you choose medium, you'll also have the option to select a mobile layout for this question. Switch to Mobile View to preview the layout. You can display choices as 1 per row, 2 per row, or in a carousel format. Once you're happy with the mobile layout, switch back to Desktop View. In Advanced Settings, you also have options to hide checkboxes, hide image labels, or fit the full image inside the box without cropping if your images aren't square. When you're finished customizing, click Save and preview your quiz to see how the picture choice question will appear to your users. To learn more, visit our Help Center at docs.revenuehunt.com.